You take that cover off, this is what you're gonna find. It's water and grease and muck and dirt, and I mean, I'm gonna clean this up the best I can, but my grandpa bought this I don't know how many years ago and just sat, and I'm surprised it still ran. You know, it was stuck in one gear, but nasty. Clean this all out. I failed to mention that I picked this up with my engine hoist, or my gantry crane, homemade gantry crane. It's 10 feet tall by 10 feet wide. It's got 450 pound each weight capacity, 8-inch casters. I took the engine out of our Pontiac Grand Prix and swapped it. I didn't film any of that, but it held fine. I mean, the chain kind of was making noise and stuff, but this held it just fine. I think it was just kind of binding a little bit by the way I was pulling it up. And I'm gonna clean all this crap out, take it all out, clean it out, and put it back together. Let me just see, man. I mean, seriously, it's ridiculous. Hopefully I can clean this thing up, get it, start switching gears. This thing's been seen better days, that's for sure. And just taking out, there's other videos of how to take these things apart and take them out or fix it. There's a problem with it getting into, this thing's all screwed up too, now that I'm feeling it. I don't know, look into it.